by George Ezra. We're in standard tuning. We have a capo here on our 4th fret. The chords we need to know are a G chord, a D chord, C add 9, and E minor 7. If you already know how to play those chords, go ahead and skip ahead. Otherwise, I'm going to teach them real quickly here. So for our G chord, we're going to have our pinky and our ring finger on the 3rd fret, so the high E and the B. Those are the bottom 2 strings there. Middle finger is going to be up top here on the 2nd fret. Sorry, 3rd fret of the low E. Index is on the 2nd fret of your A. To get to your C add 9, all you do is you push this middle finger down 1 string and your index finger down 1 string as well. So now your index is on the 2nd fret of the D, middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the A. And to get to your E minor, you just simply slide this middle finger over to the 2nd fret of the A. So we have a C add 9 and an E minor and a G chord. And then your D chord is your index on your 2nd fret of your G, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. So those are the chords we need to know. The strumming pattern is a little tricky because it's quite fast, but we're going to slow it down a lot here. So it sounds like this at full speed. And if we slow that strumming pattern down, it sounds like this. So it's G, and everything's a down strum, so down, 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 down. Switch to D, down, 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 G. One more time. That's how the verse sounds. The chorus sounds like this at full speed. So now we're going to start on our C add 9. I'm going to go slow here. Just flip this over to your E minor. Go up to your G chord. And you hold for 2 on that. G, hold for 2, C add 9, E minor 7, G, and if we speed it up, it sounds like Alright, so that is the pre-chorus. The bridge, there's a bridge in this song, and that sounds like this. Pretty much just stays on G and switches to C add 9. But it's the same strumming pattern, so if you slow it down, that's all there is to it. So that's the bridge, the chorus, and the verse. Those are the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming patterns. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. Trying to get to 1,000 subs before mid-February. I'd also appreciate it if you would share. Thank you for watching.